All right, guys, it's unboxing time. I'm excited. Like, I just got home from work. We took off the work shirt. This is the underneath shirt, and good thing y'all can only see this much up. So, unboxing, excited. Stuff came in the mail, surprise package. So, yeah, we're gonna use the HC&C box opener, little Damascus blade looking thing. Cleaver, got HC&C logo on there. Do y'all see it? I guess I could flip it the other way to show you, but HC&C logo. Do you see it kind of etched on there? All right. Unboxing time. Let's see. Oh, there's the seam. There we go. Unboxing action. All right. Just dropped peanuts down the sink. I'm dropping in that toilet today. A&E, Aqua de Barclay. Aqua de Boracay. Boracay? I don't know. Ooh. That's a really nice aquatic, guys. I can't wait to use that. Exciting, exciting. Yeah, okay. Double check everything in the bottom of the box. Matching splash and a soap sample. I'm probably going to start doing some soap sample, guys. And like do some videos on samples. And you know how sometimes they'll put the picture up of the soap label? I may do it that way. I mean, you can technically see what the soap label would look like on this one. But Cooper and French, white tea and ginger. We'll see. Kind of smells like soap. We'll see. See how it lathers up. All right. There we go. That was easier slid open. Thank you, thank you, thank you, it says. Ooh. Emerald Isle, guys. So, this is a dupe, I'm pretty sure, of Green Irish Tweed, just by the name. Alone. 3-ounce tub. Pretty cool to get a 3-ounce tub. They're a little smaller than your 4-ounce tubs. May make it a little harder to stack, but really it's not bad. I like it. And I do like how Shannon Soap's side label that tells you the name of the soap. Always need that. Look at that. A&E's got one, like industry standard, people. Not calling anybody out, Douglas. But anyways. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's a Green Irish Tweed scent. It's a collaboration with the Razor Company. We will definitely be giving that a go. Very excited. Thank you, Jason. I appreciate it. Everybody, thank you for watching, doing the unboxing. I like doing unboxings. They're a little shorter videos. I like my videos to be like no more than 16 minutes, but I really want them around the 8 to 12 minute marker. And, a 4-minute video, no big deal. So, guys, this video is going to come out as the morning video, and I'm going to try to get a shave in tonight with one of these awesome products, and that'll come out at noon. So, all right, guys, I will catch you later, and thank you for tuning in.